Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your account on the Decathlon application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the third icon down below. And after that, scroll down and click on My Personal Info in the My Profile section. Add your fingerprint, your Touch ID to unlock this section. Then you can add your name, as you can see, select your gender. You can modify your email address and your password as well, and you can add your phone number and landline, so it will be easier for your deliveries if you fill it in, so that you won't have to type in your mobile phone and address again when you are ordering something. Here you can add your address to the billing address section. If you tap on the add an address button, you will be directed to a page which is now loading in, and in a few seconds you will be able to add your addresses so that it won't take time when you are ordering something on the Decathlon application, since it will be auto-filled. So click on add an address, then you have to type in your last name, first name, your country, house name or number, street name, postcode, city, and your phone number as well. Then after typing in all these details, tap on the add this address button down below, thereby saving all these data. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.